In this video, I'll guide you through how to use email flow in Microsoft Forms. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn on email notifications so you get an email every time someone submits a response to your form. Let's start by opening your form in Microsoft Forms. Go ahead and sign into Microsoft Forms in your browser, then look for the form you want to manage. This might be a survey, a quiz, a registration form, or any other form you've already created. From your list of forms on the main page, click the one you want to work with so it opens in the editor view. You should now see your questions, the form title, and the options along the top of the page. Today, I'll show you how to access the email notification settings from here. At the top right corner of the form editor, look for the settings option. Depending on your screen size, you might see the word settings, or you might see an icon, often represented by 3 dots or a gear symbol. Click on that to open the settings menu for your form. Once the settings panel is open, I'm going to walk you through how to enable the actual email flow. In the list of options, look for the one that says Get Email Notification of each response. This setting controls whether the form owner gets an email every time someone fills out and submits the form. To turn it on, simply check the box next to Get Email Notification of each response. After you check that box, your changes usually save automatically, so you don't need to hunt for a save button. You can close the settings panel and continue editing your form or move on to sharing it if it's ready to go. From this point on, every new submission will trigger an email to the account you're using with Microsoft Forms. I'll show you the easiest way to confirm that everything is working correctly. Once notifications are turned on, try submitting a test response yourself. Use the preview option at the top to see the form the way your respondents will, then fill it out and submit it. After a moment, check your email inbox associated with your Microsoft account. You should see a new email letting you know that a response has been received, along with a quick summary and a link back to the full results in Microsoft Forms. In this video, you'll learn how to make the most of this feature in everyday use. Email notifications are especially helpful if you're collecting time-sensitive information like event registrations, support requests, or approvals. Instead of constantly checking the Responses tab in Forms, you can rely on your inbox to alert you whenever something new comes in. Keep in mind that if your form receives a large number of responses, this can also mean a large number of emails. If that becomes overwhelming, you can always go back into the same settings area and uncheck Get Email Notification of each response to turn it off again. You can also use folders or rules in your email client to automatically sort or label these messages, which helps keep your inbox organized while still staying informed. And that's all you need to set up email flow in Microsoft Forms. Open your form, go into settings, check the email notification box, and then monitor your inbox for new responses.